Hope you will be fine. Today we will discuss about operators in C language. Now, what is operator? An operator is a symbol that is used to perform operations. Now, for example, we have increment operator, we have decrement operator, we have plus plus, we have minus minus. Now, in a C language, operators always need operand. For example, A plus B. Operands, and this is operator. There are many type of operators like arithmetical, logical, bitwise, etc. Now, in C language, we have following types of operators to perform different type of operations. We have arithmetic operator, we have relational operators, we have shift operators, we have logical operators, we have bitwise operators, we have ternary or conditional operator, we have assignment operator, now let us describe these operators one by one. So one thing you must remember that we have a precedence. Now the precedence of an operator specifies that which operator will be evaluated first and next. The precedence comes with associativity. The associativity specifies the operator direction to be evaluated. It may be from left to right or from right to left. Now let us understand precedence. Suppose we have an expression integer value equal to 10 plus 20 multiplied by 10. Now in this operator is evaluated first and this will be evaluated next. So this is the precedence label. Multiplication operator has higher precedence than the plus operator. Now we have on a broad category two type of operators. One is unary operator and the second one is binary operator. Unary operator need only one operand. For example, plus plus a, minus minus a. Binary need two operands. For example, a and a plus b. Now I am giving you some operators and their associativity. First, we have a post fix operator. In this, we have category of postfix operator. In this, we have parenthesis, we have square bracket, we have arrow, we have plus plus, we have minus minus, and their associativity is from left to right. Another we have unary operator. In this we have plus, we have minus, we have tilde, plus plus, minus minus. Its associativity is from right to left. Another one are multiplicative operators. These are asterisk, divide, percentile, and their associativity is from left to right. We have additive operators. Their associativity plus to minus, and there is from left to right. So these are some examples of operators. Hope you will understand this lecture. Thank you very much.